Under Resource Management, there are two options to choose from. Resources is where you go to manage different digital assets. These assets are already created or uploaded to the platform. Assets like news, video, external material, file, image, RSS feed, Twitter feed, or podcast. The bottom half of the page shows list of assets published to the web page. News option from the menu on the left is where you go to upload news. Click on News Card to create new entry. This will open the news dialog. Your work begins with filling the fields in the news intro section. Start with filling in the title of your entry. Optionally, give a short description of the entry. Choose the language of the entry. This allows the material to be filtered by language on the website. Mandatory, select an image for your entry. This will open the File Uploader dialog. You can either choose an already uploaded file or upload a new file. To upload a new file, click on Select Files button. A new dialog window will open and let you choose the file from your device. Once selected, the file will show up in the File Uploader. Now click the Upload button. After uploading, you can find your file in the list of files below. Select the tick box on the right to add the file to your entry. Click the Add Selected Files button. Now the image is added. When ready, click on the Next button. This will take you to the News Content section. To begin, click on the Add Row button. A dialog will open with several column layout options. Choose a column layout option, for example, a single column. This will add a new row with the columns as chosen at the previous step, with content options to choose from for each column on the row. Row layout can be changed from the three dots on the right. Click on the three dots to open the Row Controls dialog window. Click on the Change Layout button to open the Layout Options dialog which you previously saw. Now you can reconfigure the row with different column layout. With the desired row layout in place, you can start adding content to its columns. Note that a single column can contain only single type of content. The content buttons in the column allow you to choose the type of content you want it to contain. Content type can be text, image, link embed, YouTube video embed, and page divider. To select the content type, click on the respective button. For example, if you want to add text to the column, click on the text box button. Clicking on the button of choice modifies the column in accordance to the content type. If you have chosen text, the column is now letting you to type in or copy-paste text in it. It also gives you basic text controls. To change the content type of the column, first select the column, and then click on the three dots on the right side of the row. Doing so will open the Row Controls dialog, this time with an additional Reset button. Clicking the Reset button deletes all the content inside the column, and brings back the content type buttons. This allows you to reconfigure the content type of the column.